Hello everyone, Dylan with the TriniGardener channel, back again with another video. This is not really a planned video. This is just something I had to do because my carrots, I was just taking a look in the garden and I saw these leaves on the carrot itself, and this is never a good sign. So basically I came down, tried to pull up a carrot, and this is what happened, right? So what happened here, I believe, is that either there's some kind of organism, probably like a worm or some kind of fungus that's pretty much eaten this entire the carrot itself. I will put up a little picture of the carrot and what we got out of it, but it just was not good. It was spoiled, right? It didn't even have like the skin on it. Well, you can see here, and the smell was just terrible. So obviously something was eating it. So I was planning to leave these carrots in here for probably about maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks again before I harvest, but I don't think I have a choice. I'm going to try to pull them out and hopefully we can salvage something. After my last carrot failed video, I was hoping to redeem myself with this one, but you know, it probably didn't work out. We don't know, but I'm going to get into it and let's see if I get something. But I mean, of course, this is gardening, it happens, but let's see. All right, so let's get down into it. Okay, so again, like I told you all in my rainbow carrot video, for carrots you just sort of come across here, you try to find the stalk, right? So let's just focus on this part here, right? And here we have a little head of a carrot. So I'm just going to pull it out, and once it's a healthy carrot, it should be able to pull out from here. The carrot that I just showed you all, I wasn't even able to pull it out using these leaves. I had to actually go down, and then this just automatically snapped off because the carrot itself was not healthy at all. Okay, so up, let's see. Okay, something is coming out. Oh wow, guys, this is my first time actually getting a proper carrot. And I mean, this was not the best soil. It was kind of hard, but I'm so excited. Oh, this is like, wow, this is, I'm so happy. Wow. Okay. Yeah, probably could have left this for longer, but again, I rather to take it out now, get something, than come in and have a big carrot that's gotten eaten out by whatever it is that ate out the first one. All right. Okay, let's get the others and let's see what else we have. Up. Okay, let me see if I can find another head. Okay, so here we have another head of carrot, right? Let's see. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I can't even express how happy I am for getting these carrots. In a bucket, carrots in a bucket. It doesn't matter where you live. If you live in an apartment, you live anywhere, that you just can have a bucket, simple pigtail bucket. Carrots, free carrots. Okay, yeah, I'll try this one here. I do think this one's gonna be good. All right. Yeah, so this one's a bit of a fail, but still, if you saw my rainbow carrot video, this would actually be an improvement compared to the others that I got. Okay. And yeah, I don't see any more heads, so I mean, like, yeah. Okay, so nothing else inside here, but literally, guys, these two carrots, two proper carrots, and even this little dinky carrot here, over the moon. I'm so happy to at least get something. So I have some more carrots in another bucket that's coming up, and you know, this is just a good sign that, you know, I'm getting better at this carrot game, and you should be growing carrots as well. It's possible in Trinidad. I know we see videos of a lot of people abroad growing carrots, but it's possible right here in Trinidad as well, in containers. Something important, if you are growing carrots, as soon as you pick the carrot, it's good to take off the head, because the head itself sucks up a lot of moisture. So to keep your carrot, you know, let it stay as long as possible. As soon as you pick your carrots, of course, take your nice pictures for Instagram, but you know, don't leave the head on for very long, because it'll suck up the moisture from here, and this won't keep as long as you probably would like it to keep. Okay, and remember, this was just in a small 5-gallon bucket. Of course, some not successful, two pretty successful, one sort of not really successful, but it's still, you know, it is something. If you have more space, if you have more buckets, and you really are interested in growing carrots in Trinidad, definitely give it a go. All right, and I'll give you all a little carrot growing guide. I'm not the expert on carrots, but I'll tell you what I did to get these carrots somewhat, you know, grown, and something that you can actually cut up, put into a salad, eat just like that, and you know, I hope you enjoyed. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you all so much for joining me on this little impromptu video that I didn't plan. I hope that I hope you enjoyed my little meltdown with the carrots itself, my emotions as well, because this is really what gardening is. It's the entire experience, your happiness, your disappointment, all of that is part of the experience of gardening. So remember, this has been Dylan with the TheTriniGardener channel, reminding you to get up and get growing. Take care.